Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing Pusheen the cat. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artists, let's start this picture. This is a very funny cat and it's a cartoon character. This was requested by one of my little artists. We're gonna start not in the middle, a little bit on the top, and we're gonna do a little line, horizontal line. This is the center of the paper and this is how I put my line. Now let's do the ears with two triangle shapes. They are gonna go across a little bit more of the line. So I'm going up and going down, passing this line. Okay, now let's do the body, and this is two curved lines because this cat is a little big. So we're gonna go down and we're gonna put little dot, okay, just to know where we're going. And then on the other side, the same thing, we're gonna put a little dot. And now we're gonna join this with this point and this with this dot. We're gonna go down a little in diagonal and then start curving until we reach the dot. The same thing here, a little diagonal, and then let's do a curve going to the dot. There. Okay, this is big cat. And here I'm gonna put one of his paws with a backwards letter C. And in the other side, we're gonna do a big long letter C for the tail. Now let's extend this one a little bit to the right. And now we're gonna do another backwards letter C for the other paw. Okay, now we can extend this line and connect with the other one. Perfect. Now we have the body. Let's go with the face. Underneath this ear, I'm gonna do the first eye, leaving a space. I'm gonna do a little circle. And we can fill this with black. Underneath the other ear, going down, we're gonna do the other circle. And it's gonna be kind of like the same distance of the other eye. Okay, now underneath the line, we're gonna do the mouth, and it's in between the eyes, two letter U's that go together. And now let's put the whiskers. They go from this line going to the left. So these are connect to the line. The other whiskers are gonna cross the line. 1 and 2. And on the top he has some marks that we're gonna do with three letter U's. 1, 2, and 3. And they're underneath the first line we did, right here. We're gonna put two more here on the back, and these ones are gonna be a little wider. They look more like a letter C, a backwards letter C. And we are gonna put some more here on the tail, and we're gonna count 1, and then we leave a space and do another one, leave a space, another one, again, and the last one. We are just gonna do the hands, and he's gonna be eating a donut. So we're gonna do the circle first of the donut, and it's gonna go from the mouth, going around really slow so we can go straight and connect with the other side of the mouth. So make sure that these letter U are inside a little bit of the circle. Now underneath these two letter U's, we're gonna do an oval shape, and it's gonna be the center of the donut. And underneath, we're gonna do a curvy line that go up and down for the glaze. The last thing we need to do is the hands, and they're gonna be really easy. It's just two U shapes, upside down letter U's. And they have to touch the line of the donut. And there, that's it. We finished this cat that is super funny. And I hope it was easy for you to follow up with me. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay little artists, we are done. This is how my cat turned out. This is the colors of the character. In the donut I add some sprinkles with circles of different colors, and at the end I put pink on the glaze. Also at the end, I pass one more time with my black marker around, so this makes the colors pop up a little bit more. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!